guys, Vindi. Let's quickly look at Nas. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video. Okay, starting from weekly, this is a nice bearish engulfing candle. Okay, it engulfed, it covered the previous green candle, this one. Okay, so that's why I'm saying that's an engulfing candle. It covered fully. You can see this week went up, this one went down, cover that one fully. If you come down to daily, you can see 4 days of going down, 4 days of bearish moves, bearish close. So that is actually what gave us that nice weekly engulfing, and we can see another engulfing there on top. Now let's pause here. Do you want to buy or do you want to sell? I mean, looking at what price it actually done, comment down in the section below, in the comment section below. Let me know. Looking at 1, 2, 3, 4 black candles, do you want to join these guys selling, or you want to look for opportunities to buy? Just say buy or just say sell, or just say buy Nas or sell Nas. Let's see. Let's get to maybe 100 comments. If you're looking at this, let's get to 100 comments. Yes. Okay. So we've seen these two nice pin bars here, bullish pin bars, which were forming on structure, on this particular structure. And we haven't seen any sort of a close yet below, because this one attempted to and then went back up, same as that one. Okay, so there is a lot, you need to understand this. There's a lot of stop loss hidden below this, same as the stop loss that were hidden here. So a bunch of stops, including mine, were wiped by this particular one. Of course, I do get stopped out. In case you're watching this video and you're thinking, this guy's, it doesn't get, I do get stopped out. That is why I use a stop loss. It is very important to do that. A lot of people, of course, they will only show you profits, they won't show you losses. I do get stopped out, guys. That's the reality of things, but I only risk 2% of that. Check out another video that I did on how to calculate that, so that you don't blow your account. I'm gonna link it down in the description box. Okay, so below this, there's a bunch of stops, and we can see that these guys are pushing down. So we know that there's some sort of a downtrend somewhere in space by price, referring to lower time frames. Okay, now that we are down here, do you want to buy or do you want to sell? Okay, we will need to come down and gather that evidence. Looking at this particular structure here, if you're a breakout trader, let me start by that. If you're a breakout trader, you're probably looking at this and thinking this trend line was broken, price went up, and we are currently looking at the retest. Maybe your confirmation of the retest being over could come from these particular candles. Of course, gaps can invalidate these setups. Okay, we could see price doing that and pushing back up. If you're a breakout trader, you're looking at that, stops are gonna go down here. Remember, this is the same area where we've seen the pin bar ending. So that is why I'm saying stops are gonna go down there. That's where a whole bunch of stops are gonna be hidden. Okay, so maybe you're looking at it and thinking, oh, maybe an M pattern of some sort, you buy this, or maybe some sort of a harmonic pattern, you want to look at it at it from that angle. Okay, or maybe you're looking at this particular point and thinking a little bit of a push will do, so that we can do a move back up. Maybe I'll look at it from a different time frame so that we understand why I'm saying that. Okay, so that's another thing that you could possibly do around that, the buy, if you are a breakout trader. And if you come down here, you're still looking at that, this same structure, and I think if changed, a little bit of a push will do for both harmonic traders, and I believe for both Elliot wave traders, this will actually do. Let me see if I can deploy this. We could see that that maybe a little bit of a move down, as long as it doesn't take out X, that will actually do. Okay, so that will be something that we can actually do. Stop losses needs to go below that. That is why I said, explained why that pin bar is very important. Okay, let me move again to another time frame. I don't want to make this video long. So if you look at this, you can see this is where I think Elliott wave traders are going to be coming in with their wave counts. Maybe you're going to be looking at that particular structure, and they're looking for the fifth wave to actually complete. Okay, maybe they're looking at that particular shandies right there. Maybe this is their channel nicely, and they're looking for a breakout. And once the fifth wave is completed, they could possibly look for opportunities to buy. Okay, so that's another way of looking at it. Sellers, let's see, sellers could look at this XB trend line. Remember, I did a video on how to trade the M's and W's properly. Check this pop-up banner here. That thing, yes. Check that one. There's a video that explains this XB trend line. I mean, these things are here on YouTube on this channel. We can go ahead and check that out. So we could possibly sell if price goes back up there and hide our stop loss on this particular C. Remember, could possibly buy down here, hide our stop loss below X. We are done. That is just the short-term trades that we're going to look at. To recap, we're looking at this XB trend line, selling on top there, hiding stop loss there, okay? Or we are buying a little bit low. We can actually even buy from here as long as the stop loss is hidden down below that pin bar. All right, sharp, sharp. If you have watched this video up to here, consider smashing that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. I mean, subscribe. YouTube tells me that only 30 or 30% or so are subscribed. 30% of you guys are not subscribed. So do check that out. Do more than subscribe. Check the Telegram channel as well. Otherwise, did I leave anything? I doubt. Sharp, sharp.